Welcome back to the InsureShield Checkout Cart Installation video series. This is the last of our three-part video series that will take you through the steps of installing the consumer checkout code into your Shopify store. This video will walk you through the steps of implementing the checkout cart code into your live test theme. As a reminder, these instructions are specific to the themes that have the main-cart-footer.liquid file. If you do not find this file, please view the installation instructions found on the UPS Capital website. First, make sure you're back on the Themes page of your Shopify store. To make a copy of the live theme before you make any changes, click Actions, then download the theme file. On the live theme, click Actions, then Edit Code. Similar to the last video, navigate to the search bar on the left-hand side of your screen. Search for main-cart-footer.liquid. Use the Find feature by clicking both Ctrl and F on your keyboard and search for cart__CTAS. This will highlight that line of code. Above this line of code, copy and paste your new line of dev code, which can be copied and pasted from the title above this video. Once the code has been placed, click the Save button. Navigate back to the Apps page and click the InsureShield App. In the middle of the page, there will be a yellow message box. Click the checkbox and submit to confirm you have inserted the code correctly. If it was inserted correctly, you will get a confirmation message. If not, you may need to go back and reinsert the code in the correct place. To preview the code, navigate back to the Themes page of your Shopify store. On the live theme, click Actions, Edit Code, then Preview. By clicking Preview, you can check that the code has been placed correctly. Congratulations! You have now completed entering the liquid code into your live theme. If you have any further questions, please call our InsureShield representatives at 800-711-5912 or email us at InsureShieldSupport@ups.com.